Welcome to the hub where future tycoons are forged and financial myths are dismantled. Today, we're dissecting the blueprint to building wealth for those who are ready to take the road less traveled. Buckle up, beginner investors. You're about to learn how to build wealth in ways that the conventional guides won't teach you. The unconventional mindset. Let's start with the foundation, your mindset. The unconventional investor looks beyond the noise, seeking opportunities where others see chaos. They understand that risk can be a siren song, that with due diligence, it can be the melody to their success. Forget safe investments. Think smart investments. Two, the art of micro-investing. Now, let's talk about micro-investing. It's the art of turning your spare change into a financial empire. Each time you make a purchase, round up to the nearest dollar and invest that change. Over time, these tiny amounts can snowball into a significant portfolio, proving that size isn't everything when it comes to wealth. The power of niche markets. Let's dive into the power of niche markets. These are the playgrounds for the astute investor. From collectibles to niche real estate, these markets often have less competition and more potential for growth. By specializing, you can become an authority and recognize value where the average investor might not even look. If you're finding value in this content, hit the subscribe button. Join our legion of unconventional investors and never miss a beat from the world of clever investing. Leveraging debt. Leveraging debt sounds risky, right? But if done wisely, it's like wielding a double-edged sword with precision. Good debt can catapult you into real estate or help you start a business. The unconventional investor uses debt as a tool, not a crutch. The side hustle investment. The side hustle isn't just pocket money, it's an investment. Use your skills to create an additional income stream and then invest that revenue. This is how you play the game of wealth, not just saving pennies, but generating more coins to stack. Unearthing gems in the stock market. The stock market is a battlefield, and to find the gems, you have to dig deeper than the rest. We're talking about small-cap stocks with the potential to explode. The key? Research. You're looking for companies with strong fundamentals that are flying under the radar. The foreign investment frontier. Expand your horizons, literally. The unconventional investor looks beyond their borders. Emerging markets can offer growth that domestic markets may lack. Of course, it comes with added risk, but for those who do their homework, the rewards can be sizable. Harnessing technology. Technology is the investor's crystal ball. Utilize financial apps and online resources to automate investments, track trends, and get alerts on market shifts. In this digital age, being a tech-savvy investor isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity. The philosophy of patience. Finally, embrace the philosophy of patience. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. The unconventional path requires patience and resilience. Markets will fluctuate, and get rich quick schemes will always fail. True wealth comes to those who wait, learn, and adapt. As we wrap up, remember, unconventional investing isn't for the faint of heart. It demands creativity, courage, and conviction. But for those who dare to walk this path, the rewards can redefine your financial destiny. Until next time, keep investing in your growth, and let's build that wealth.